Good afternoon. Today I will be showing you a nice recipe without a single drop of oil, butter or ghee. You will be cooking it in a rice cooker. So it's a creamy green chicken and it's very good to have green vegetables. So I've used mint and coriander. So this is my creamy green chicken which I will be teaching you today. Let's proceed and start cooking. Let's come to the ingredients of the creamy green chicken. I have taken 600 grams of breast pieces, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half cup of hung curd. This is the curd. I will make it into hung curd. Now here I have taken coriander and mint paste and I have added green chili in that. If you are taking 1 kg, then take half cup each. This is total half cup of coriander and mint. And here I have got cinnamon, cardamom, pepper pods. This is the cashew. Cashew paste is 5 teaspoon. Now salt according to your taste, and cream I will be giving on top 5 to 6, and to decorate it nicely I'll be using 2 boiled eggs. And for this you can use your ready-made garam masala also, but I have taken all this separately and made a homemade garam masala. Now let's marinate the chicken. I'm using little turmeric powder. It's optional for you. If you want, you can skip this. This is salt. Goes the curd, the garam masala, the cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, and this is the main thing, the mint and coriander with chili. And the medium I have used is lemon. This is the ginger. So I will marinate it and keep it for 6 to 7 hours so that the flavor goes in. The marinated chicken is standing for last 7 hours. As you know that this is without any oil or ghee, so I will be putting this directly in my rice cooker. Now remember one thing, while you put it, take this out, set it nicely. I'm putting it in the cooking mode. Now I'll be adding the cashew powder and fresh cream. 2, 3. Mix it well. Cover your rice cooker and cook it for 30 minutes. So we are back after 30 minutes. It's cooking for 30 minutes. It's done. I am switching off my cooker. See, it's bubbling. It's nice. It's done. Now it's ready to serve. Chicken is served. It's already, I have given enough cream inside, but just before serving you can just put a little cream. If you want, you can skip this always. Now your creamy green chicken is ready. So hope you like it. The recipe without a single drop of oil, butter or ghee. If you like it, then please do subscribe, press the like button, and would love to see your comments in my channel. Thank you so much.